motion along a straight line. To understand this, we must understand these two terms. Distance. Displacement. Let us understand these two terms. Here, a farmer starts his journey from his house, which is treated as a reference point, original, say point O. Let A represents the position of market. B represents the position of school. C represents the position of post office. Here, a first farmer moves through C, post office, and B, school, and reaches at A, market. Then he moves back along the same path and reaches C through B. Here, the total path length covered by the farmer is OA plus AC, that is 12 kilometers plus 7 kilometers equals 19 kilometers. Here, in this example, the final position of farmer is at C, post office, which is nothing but 5 kilometers from the initial position, which is O. This is known as displacement of farmer. Thus, the distance covered by the farmer is distance equals 19 kilometers. The displacement of farmer is displacement equals 5 kilometers. Let us understand more concepts of this with one more example. A farmer takes vegetables from his house to the market every day. A farmer made two paths. Path 1, with length equals 1.5 kilometers. And path 2 with length equals 2.5 kilometers. Answer the question. Question 1. How much farmer travel every day? Answer. If farmer takes path 1, he will travel 1.5 kilometers. If farmer takes path 2, he will travel 2.5 kilometers. So, the distance. Here the distance is length of path travelled by the farmer. Inference. The distance between the two places is not the same. It depends upon the path chosen. Now, we draw a straight line from house to market and make a path on this straight line, which is 1 kilometer. Again, answer the question. Question 2. Now, what will be shortest distance? which farmer can take to go to market? Answer. If farmer take a sumpted path, that is 1 kilometer. So, the displacement. The shortest distance traveled by farmer will be displacement. Inference. The shortest distance, or distance traveled along a straight line, is known as displacement. Difference between distance and displacement. Distance. Displacement. Distance is the length of the actual path followed by an object or body while moving from one point to another. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. Distance is a scalar quantity, which is having only magnitude. Displacement is a vector quantity, which is having magnitude and direction. Distance is measured in meter in the SI system. Displacement is measured in meter in a particular direction in the SI system. Distance traveled is not a unique quantity and is always path dependent. Displacement is only dependent on the starting point and the ending point, and is independent of path followed. It is unique to a given pair of points. Distance can either be equal to or greater than displacement. Displacement is either equal to or less than the distance.